Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen. And today I'm going to be making dairy-free coconut yogurt. And this for me was as a big relief because I used to go to the store every day and spend about like $6-7 on a jar of coconut, which is like about that much, which is the size of this mason jar right here. And so I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make it every time so you don't have to go to the store and spend and waste money on things like this. Okay, so about the ingredients, the first things first, I got coconut milk over here. I always make sure I go at the back and make sure the first ingredient is coconut, as in the coconut extract you see over here. And then the next ingredient is a little bit of water, yes, but at least it's coconut in it. You have two different types of here, which are good as well. You get this from Whole Foods. Again, it's organic coconut, the first ingredient. Today I'll be using this one just because I'm familiar with this and I used this in the past. Then of course I have the can opener. But do not use coconut milk from a box since it has a lot of water in it and it doesn't really work with the box coconut milk. And it has to have a good amount of fat in it as well and be creamy like this one. The probiotics over here, this is something that you will need. You'll need about just 2 pills of this per jar. So 2 pills per mason jar over here. And probiotics, this is not to be confused with prebiotics. So we're looking at probiotics. You also need a good mason jar like this. I also have this lid. Of course, this is plastic. Once I put my ingredients in, I do not want any metal to interact with the probiotics because I don't know what kind of chemicals will be in it. So I use this and it's easy, it goes in and then it can work its way inside. Okay, and I'll pull this over here. Nice and creamy. Okay, and now I'll take about 2 capsules of this. Again, twist, and pour it in. Or like that. That helps too. That has come out properly from the edges of the jar as well. Okay, so I want there to be some air particles so the air can move into this as well. So I will close this lid. Now this one can be kept for about 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours. And then you can check it, of course. And then let me see, I made one yesterday. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how it's turned out today. So after 24 hours, I got up early this morning. I put it in the fridge for a little while and I got up. So now let me see how it is after that. So you open the jar and let me see how wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. This is like, it's thick, it's creamy, oh wow, let me try to taste it and you just see how good it is. It is so good. You don't need anything. You can stir it up a little bit too. Nice. Look how creamy this has become. This is so thick and gooey. I love it. I hope you like this recipe. Please follow me, subscribe to my channel. Gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free anti-inflammatory kitchen. Have a good day and await my next recipe.